Okay, so we got 2009 Honda Civic 1.8 and a vibration, unpleasant one. It kind of sounds like exhaust, but then we have this. I'm gonna try to put on dashboard so you can feel the vibration. Okay, so the problem is engine mount, so we're gonna quickly replace it and it should be good. This is it, my friends. Ta-da! Man, they got some kind of fluid action going on. Boom! This is what creates the mess of unpleasant vibration. It's a new one. Let's compare. Looks identical except the top part. The mount has been replaced. It's a brand new one. Let me rev it up. Wow. Way different Honda Civic, bro. Unlock me now, bro. Unlock me now. Now, bro. Dude, this is it.
Yeah.
How much you paid for that mount?
Almost 166.
$166, and this is it. And it's definitely not a muffler. Sound like?
Yeah. But thank God it's not.
Yep.